This video is to do a small tank to flush the refrigerator and clean from oil and dust inside, because my refrigerator get broken plenty times, and the last time get broken the motor. I don't know how. So I found another motor in a refrigerator drop. I took out the motor worked well. So now I'm gonna flush all the system, change the filter again, and put the new motor. So first I have to do something to flush it. The first thing is a board. This is a 3/4 PVC pipe, epoxy glue, and board to hole in this cup. And this is to can open it. Have a male and female that can be screwed. So the hole has to be neat. Has to come tight, you see, and don't have a loose space. Both holes have to be neat. This coming here, and this coming here, and all can have a space. After do that, I'm gonna use a plier to expand it. With the plier, apply it like this. I'm gonna put it here. I'm gonna spike the pipe to don't let it come out. First I have to sandpaper inside and bolt the piping. I'm gonna expand it with this plier. I'm gonna put the epoxy glue and sandpaper the corners and here to use the same glue for everything, and don't use a PVC glue. But for use this, in this kind of pipe it has to be sandpaper here and here inside and here. And now you're gonna see finishing, because I have only one hand. Now it's expanded. I use the plier, the two pliers, and you see the pipe is conic now and don't come out anymore. After do that, I have to pull it out as much as possible. To lock it very well, and then put the epoxy glue outside and inside. Both are the same like this, conic, and I'm gonna tighten it with the plier to press it to the PVC. So I prepare some epoxy glue a little, and I paste it first inside. And when it's ready, I'm gonna put it outside. I have to wait. This is 5 minutes epoxy. So in 5 minutes I can put it outside. Now I put it outside. This is ready. I have to wait some minutes. I sandpaper the tip of the pipe to take out the bright. Just sandpaper to don't leave it bright and smooth. Also inside of here. Now I'm gonna paint these two all around in both sides, inside and here. Ready, paste. Paste these two all around, inside without drop. And the last paste all around. Now we have to wait until dry a couple of minutes. Now it's ready. Here comes the valve. This is the side I'm gonna count the gas. You have nitrogen. Sometimes you say, maybe I think that I wanna use the same R12034 to flush the alcohol isopropyl because air and alcohol at pressure is not so much convenient. I put the valve to put the alcohol in here, alcohol absolute, to can put a flush gas to give pressure and don't permit the gas come out here and can lose the hose. The other hose go to the refrigerator. I can check the pressure. I can leave it without the hose, or I can use the hose. The same that have a valve. Anyway, I'm gonna have a valve, but this is the same. It's a valve, and it's ready. So I put the alcohol in here. I screw it. I put a Teflon on a piece of plastic bag to seal it well, and I press it with a plier to don't lose pressure here. But if you have a leak, it's not important. But I put a bag and press it here and put the pressure to make flush the liquid inside of the condenser and to clean the capillary.